All right, my NASCAR fans. As you know, last week I did a NASCAR update before the last race saying who could possibly get in, where they were standing. But now on to the NASCAR Sprint Car Playoffs. I did a prediction before the year started. My tops, who I thought the top 16 would be, the 16 that got into the NASCAR Sprint Car Playoffs. Obviously, I went 12-4, 12 right, 4 wrong in that. The four I got wrong were Daniel Suarez, Zane Smith, Ty Gibbs, and Kyle Busch. Them were the 4 I got wrong. The 4 that got in over them were Ross Chastain, Josh Berry, Austin Dillon, and Austin Cindric. So 12-4, not bad. So now here's my predictions for the next round. I'm going to start with first 4 out, and then tell you who that my top 12 be. So the first 4 out, I have it being Alex Bowman, Austin Dillon, Ross Chastain, and Austin Cindric. So that would leave my top 12 with Kyle Larson, William Byron, Denny Hamlin, and Ryan Blaney. Then we'll go SVG, Christopher Bell, Chase Elliott, Chase Briscoe. Then we'll go Bubba Wallace. Then we got Bubba Wallace, Joey Logano, Josh Berry, and Tyler Reddick. That is your top 12. Who I think will be the first 4 out in the top, and that's why I think will be your first 4 out after the first 3 races of the playoffs for the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series, and who I think will be the top 12. Now, I could be wrong. I could go 0-4 here. Which means if I do, I would go 8-4 for the top 12. For those of you who don't know how this works and you're new to NASCAR and you just get into it at this time of year, NASCAR is a playoff system. The top 16 make it. We do now know that after the first set of 3 races, we'll knock it down to 12. That'll leave 7 races left. After the next 3 races, we'll knock it down to... So after the first set of 3 races, we'll knock it down to 12, which will leave 7 races left. After the next 3 races, we'll knock it down to 8, which will leave 4 races left. And after the next 3 races, it'll knock it down to 4. So yeah, after the first 3 races, it knocks it down to 12 with 7 to go. Then after the next 3 races, with 4 to go, it knocks it down to 8. And after the next 3 races with 1 to go, it'll be the final 4, and when they get to the final 4, there are no bonus points. It's just a winner-take-all deal. So there we're going to be doing this round by round. So we will be back in about 3 weeks to see how I did for the first round. Remember, if you win, you advance. So, yeah. Go Chase Elliott. I'm biased. Go Chase Elliott. Go Kyle Larson. Also, go William Byron, because obviously the old 24 car, I'd like to see that car back in championship. Then the championship victory lane for the season. But also, like I said, congratulations to William Byron on the regular 2025 regular season championship. Kyle Larson on the #1 seed. But y'all enjoy. Be back in 3 weeks.